Energy is the capacity to do work. Heat, light, electricity, and chemical are all types of energy. Renewable resource is a resource that can be replaced within a few human generations. A non-renewable resource cannot be replaced within a few human generations. Examples of non-renewable resources would be fossil fuels and ore deposits of metals. Alternative fuels are an example of a renewable resource. For resource management, we look at the maximum sustainable yield. We would like the harvest rate to equal the renewal rate. If the harvest rate is greater than the renewable rate, then the resource becomes depleted. Fossil fuels are organic chemicals that were created by living organisms millions of years ago, buried in the sediments and transformed into energy-rich compounds. Because fossil fuels take so long to form, they are essentially non-renewable resources. Natural gas produces only about half as much CO2 as energy equivalent amount of coal. There are problems with it because it is difficult to ship, it's difficult to store in large quantities, and it sometimes needs to be flared off, which is wasted. Nuclear power only produces about 7% of our U.S. energy supply. Problems with it are its construction costs, safety concerns, and waste disposal. Two types of nuclear power, and both involve rearranging the structure of the atom. Fission, splitting of a radioactive atom of a heavy element into smaller atoms with the release of energy. And fusion, joining of isotopes of a lighter element into a heavier element with the release of energy. All commercial energy generation is run by fission. The sun generates heat and light by fusion. Some nuclear weapons use fusion reactions, but controlled fusion is still in the developmental stages. There have been two nuclear accidents. In 1979, 3 Mile Island, located in Pennsylvania. The public was alarmed, but the reactor was under control. In 1986, Chernobyl occurred. This was a very severe accident due to the poor reactor design. One of the most difficult problems with nuclear power is the disposal of its waste. We look at mining, fuel production, reactor operation, and decommissioning of the reactors. We have ocean dumping, we mine waste, we have mill killings, we have storage, we have high-level repositories such as the one in Yucca Mountain, Nevada. Energy conservation. Most potential energy of fuel is lost as waste heat. Oil and gas prices in the 70s caused us to increase our automobile gas mileage from 13 miles per gallon to almost 29 miles per gallon in 1988. We are researching many things with respect to our transportation. An example would be hybrid gas electric engines. Energy efficiency is the measure of energy produced compared to the energy consumed. We look at household energy losses can be reduced by as much as 1/2 to 3/4 by using better insulation, double-pane windows, protective covers, and general sealing procedures. However, has this increased our indoor air pollution that we are now being affected by? We can orient our homes to gain the advantage of the sun in the wintertime.